Hello everyone, Princess the Bear, and we're here in Hollywood Studios, and we're going to take a little break, get lunch at
Mama Melrose.
Mama Melrose. We have never been here. I haven't heard anything. Have you heard anything about this place?
No.
No. So we're going to give it a shot. We're going to roll the dice, and I know there's a vegan dish here that is on our list of things to try, so let's do it.
I've been wanting to try their wheat pasta, but I don't think they have the wheat pasta on the menu anymore, and I don't think it was vegan.
Well, we're about to find out one way or the other.
Be sure to subscribe.
No, you heard the girl. So we have apparently vegan, no dairy, no lactose, no mango bread with some olive oil and herbs. It's good bread, even though he said it wasn't made on site. Even 3 out of 5 flaws.
I usually like balsamic in my oil and herbs. I think this is just Italian herbs, but it's a lot of oil. The herb mixture is a little strange, but you can taste the Italian seasoning, the red pepper, and it's all fresh herbs. It's not like seasoned, canned, stored, so that's good. Olive oil is rich. It's obviously extra virgin. And the bread's decent. This pizza reminds me of Village House, and I'll put a link in the description box down below for the pizza that we tried at Village House, but this is missing that lovely ring of balsamic, but it looks a little bit fresher, a little bit more delicious for margarita. It tastes like follow your heart cheese, not diet. It's actually really good, and obviously freshly made. I expect high claw ratings on this one.
This vegan flatbread. It's definitely flat. Warm, goes down smooth. Hers is right, it's not diet. Still cheesy. It's a hard one. 4 out of 5 flaws, I'd say. Solid. I'd eat this by itself. This would be lunch.
Cashew cream on here, some spinach, mushrooms, which are not my jam. Let's see how this tastes. It's crispy. The cashew cream kind of helps it. I really don't know how to feel about the taste. The food is actually lukewarm, so I feel like it's mediocre. Overall, it's pretty decent, but it comes vegan as is, so don't be afraid to order the polenta if you're vegan. You don't have to do any modifications or anything like that, but they're super accommodating for vegans here at Mama Melrose. They said that even though they have the one food item that is completely vegan on the menu, they can legit make anything vegan that you would like that's on the menu. So don't be afraid to order the polenta or something else. Get adventurous because they are willing to please here at Mama Melrose.
So, polenta cake. We have some sautéed spinach in here. Cauliflower, mushroom, just cashew cream cheese. Looks pretty on a fork. That's interesting. It's flavorful. You can't really taste the mushroom, which is good for Princess, as she despises those. Everything works really well together, but I'm with her on the temperature. If it was like hot and more than like room temperature, I could probably do a little bit better on it. It's not bad. It's definitely better than most vegan meals we've had here in Hollywood. Maybe 2.5 out of 5. It could be a 3, but the temperature just kills it for me. I just can't do it. It makes everything seem sort of weak flavor-wise.
Do Parmesan cheese for you, sir?
No.
Anything good?
And the bear, but nice and boring today. And I got a sustainable fish. I wasn't really feeling anything heavy Italian today with being so hot. But we have salmon as the fish of the day with grilled asparagus on top of a pasta and a red sauce. Just upon first inspection, the salmon is well cooked inside. It's flaky like it should be. Try to get a full fork here. Maybe. Maybe not. It's not bad. Salmon's a tad bit drier than I like, but not like dry. It's edible. The asparagus is crisp, pasta's great. It's good. It doesn't wow me though. So 3 out of 5 plus. It's a good average lunch, all around. Hello, everybody. Prince of Bear. We just finished at Mama Melrose.
Decent.
Average.
Yeah,
Average.
I would say average.
Better than most.
It's okay for an Italian place. The polenta was alright. It was cool that they could literally make anything vegan, which was an awesome thing, given that you don't have very many options here at Hollywood for vegan choices.
It is a good vegan option. I'll give it that.
I agree.
Everything else,
Meh.
is average. Horribly average. But,
It's like if you don't have anywhere else to eat, go eat here type place. Very stereotypical Italian.
I'll give it that. Out of all the places I've eaten in Hollywood so far, top half better.
It's up there.
It's up there. But Disney World as a whole, not
so much.
But, I mean, it was a nice little lunch. I'm not saying I would eat there again.
No.
There's some other things I'd probably like to try at some point, but
They need more restaurants here in Hollywood.
maybe.
They do.
Maybe. They're about to get 2 more.
It's not enough.
Well, until next time.
Be sure to subscribe.